Okay, so real quick, I did my hair already. Obviously, you saw that when I did last time. But I was just like, let me do it with some makeup this time. Like, I knew it was going to slap, but now we just about to push it to the limit. So today is going to be, well, the second part of this video, which we're doing right now, is going to be like a hair test vlog. So, you know, I know you guys like that. Today, we're going to go out and about. It's 50 degrees today in New York, so we're about to take advantage. And this hair is full but lightweight at the same time, so we're going to take her for a spin outside, an activity, because you know some hairs like to act up when you take them outside of your own crib. When you take them out the box, some hairs be acting like they don't know what time it is. Already been outside, I can't front, she already know what time it is, so we just about to push her to the limit and see what her limitations are. We about to push her boundaries, but I'm about to just beat my face and get cute. The lace is melting just magnificently, so I extra that studded was crazy. I tinted it a little bit extra, the lace, so it can melt like into my skin without makeup. It did stupendous. I don't know if you could tell, and that's the point because you can't. So we on the right track. Do the handy dandies makeups. I'm not sure if I want to do it half up, half down today or what, but if I'm gonna do it half up, half down, I'm gonna just, you know, get it slick, get it together. Oh, let me show you how long the hair goes. That's okay. She a lengthy girl. Let me come back. Crazy. We in Tata's Let me start that over. Cut. We in Tata's Tavern, y'all. Well, only place where you could get happy hour before 4 o'clock. You know the vibes. Oh my God, I was watching the do's and don'ts of dating in Aquarius, Cancer, Sagittarius. Oh my God, you have to put me on. We're about to go be girls outside in the sun. But you gonna come with us? You gonna know we're gonna go furniture shopping.
It's 52 degrees. Get out and feel a little sun on your shoulder.
Her edible hitting, gotta be. Like, how does Tata just come up with these little innuendos so fast? Sun on your shoulder. Everybody better comment an emoji of a shoulder. I feel cute today. I think it's the hair. How do you like my hair?
I love it.
Thanks, I did it myself. This is a hair video, that's why I'm asking.
I love it, it's big.
But yes, this is the hair and it looks dumb good. It's mad soft and it's like right on my head. It fits perfectly. Like, it's a lot of hair, but it's mad like light.
It looks light.
Right? And it's mad long. If you show me how long it is on my body. I'm 5'3".
Yeah.
5'4", actually I'm 5'4".
Okay. I still gotta learn how to contour.
Oh, sure.
I was like, yes, you heard it first.
Reporting live. Breaking news. Tata wants to contour.
Right. And needs a few tips. Anyone's out there and wants to help for free, she will take it.
Show the link.
Oh God, what was it, Graham or something? Don't mind us, I know we maskless. Our edible has it. Oh. No, we were talking, but thank you. Sorry. Thank you. Do you mind? Because I said that. Thank you for that. We appreciate it. We're maskless, but we're alone. You see, no one's around us. So.
We high.
And we took our drinks to go. We get her done.
We going to Lower Street.
Okay.
Oh my God, I feel mad good.
Right?
I wish I had another drink to go, but I think
we gotta grab one on the way. Damn, we do need a flask.
We need a flask. Well, I found these, like, I'm gonna stop and see if we can stop at West Elm, because West Elm had on their website portable like wine cups, and it had like a little cover on it, like a you know, like not the jelly, but like, you know what I mean, not the jelly kind of texture, but that's
it like seals.
Yeah, it seals.
That was helping. I also saw on Shark Tank that somebody invented that to help with like putting drugs in women's drinks, like at the club. So I don't. It could be that. There was another one like to have you. Because there's one you can put on your wrist and then you just wrap it over your drink.
How you use it, like the lighter?
How you take it off like
keychain, like that?
It's
like that?
No, it's not. It's on your wrist like a hair tie. And you just take it off.
Your drink?
Yeah.
Wrist like hair tie.
But then it rolls out into a drink. I don't know how. But it's on Shark Tank.
This is
and then you can spray it over your drink.
I thought the cup it became
now,
the
how
cup.
you like,
yo,
it's not adding up. We're here.
Yes. We're queer.
We made it. Look at the, okay, hair.
Hi. Hey, friends.
Hello.
Just, oh my God, my heart leaped out my chest. Hey, pal. Can I say hi?
Of course, he's super friendly.
Oh my God, let's be friends now. Or to shock them.
Hi.
That's Burger.
Hi, Burger.
Oh, he's gonna want to show you his toy.
What's going on with you?
Hi.
You want to show them
Your
your
foot
ball?
asleep?
You want to show them your ball?
I'm out of here. Let's look at this stuff.
Do we bring the squirrel though?
Burger a little racist.
You said you felt it?
Burger a little racist. Burger so them white folks don't want to run it.
I'm gonna need you to translate this in fucking captions when you post this shit.
Burger a little racist.
I heard you. I need these niggas.
He saw them white folks and niggas started running.
My people. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, I like these.
36, you good. I like these.
I like this one. Look at 2 personalities.
Okay, hello.
Then this is a round couch.
I like this
Just
couch.
600. Let me see you sit in it. You ain't break shit. Go ahead. Put it on the table. It looks good on you. I mean, you dripped out in Carhartt, but regardless.
She said drip out.
Niggas is 30 plus.
30. I don't like
Okay.
I like the shape, but I don't like this color.
Yeah, no, of course. We're just gonna have you sit in everything. Next, love seat. Ladies and gents, I think this
Ladies and gentlemen.
is what it's called.
Oh, I like that pink color.
I hate these because it's just like, what you want us to be on top of each other?
Right, now we forced the cuff. No, oh, look at these book ends. 65. This pillow is fire. This place is a bust.
Who knew? Maybe the other one's bigger
Yeah,
too.
that's why they probably promoted the other one more.
We can, I mean,
Virgo over here.
how far is it? Okay, either way. I do want to see if this dog is
Switch on. Racist.
Bye, cutie.
How do you say bye?
Bye.
What I say? What I say?
Racist.